Hey guys, how's it going? This is Donovan Mills at Donovan Mills Hair. I'm doing a nice sleek blow dry using the new styling product Polish and Reunite. It's for any type of hair. It's also a heat protectant up to 450 degrees. A little bit goes a long ways. Emulsify it in your hands till it's nice and clear. Then we comb it in there with our fingers and all the way to the ends. Especially with her type of hair, we're gonna wanna smooth out these side pieces here. Start with the front piece first, creating kind of a triangle here. Take from the end of that triangle to the back of the ear. I like to use a smaller round brush because I feel like I have a lot more control. I can also get a little bit more body too. Move on to the back section, just taking horizontal subsections all the way to the top of the crown. We don't want to whip through the blow dry because we've got to get it nice and smooth to take all that frizziness away too. Take your time.